Morning everybody. Today we are going to deal with the hot climate, hot weather season. So the hot weather season starts from March to May. Now it is hot weather season in India. The influence of the shifting of the heat belt can be seen clearly from temperature recordings taken during March to May in the different latitudes. In March, the highest temperature is about 38 degrees Celsius in Deccan Plateau. In April, when we are moving from March to April, in the period of 1 month, 30 days, the temperature in Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh is around 42 degree Celsius. So you can see in 1 month time it has raised by 4 degree in March to April, and then they move to May. In the next month, May, it is 45 degree Celsius. Now it is seen that rise in temperature of 3 degree. The summer season, the summer months experience a rising temperature and falling air pressure means in winter it is high pressure, and when summer starts, when the land is heated, the air becomes light, it rises up and creates a low pressure. So it's known as falling air pressure in the northern plains, northern part of the country. Means you can say that it is very hot in Delhi, Uttar Pradesh. It creates low pressure in the area of northwest to Patna, Bihar, Chota Nagpur Plateau, and circulation of air being is to set in around the trough. Trough means the area. Now, due to this rising temperature and falling air pressure, a striking feature of the hot weather season is the Loo. It's a hot air. which creates dehydration, loss of water. These are strong, gusty, hot, dry winds blowing during the day over the north and northwestern India. So north and northwestern India means, north means Jammu Kashmir. Actually Jammu Kashmir is mountainous region, so it's not hot out there. But when you come to the lower part like Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, center part of MP, Rajasthan, they are very hot. Northwest, that is Rajasthan. Direct exposure of these winds may even prove to be fatal. You can say like dangerous. When we continuously move in hot air, already spoken and already known by you that it creates dehydration, lack of water, and dust storms are very common during the month of May in the northern hemisphere, in the North India. These storms bring temporary relief as they lower the temperature. And may bring light rainfall, rain and cool breeze. Like these are the quality of the low. So the temperature lowers. This localized thunderstorms, violent wind, torrent downpours, often accompanied by hails. Sometimes you get hailstones. It is known by different names. So in West Bengal, these storms are known as the Kal Baisakhi. In South India, Kerala, it is known by other name. So when it is moving towards South India, so towards the close of the summer season, means when the summer season starts to end, or the rainy season, the monsoon starts, during that time, summer season, pre-monsoon showers are common, especially in Kerala and Karnataka. These showers, they help in ripening, in the early ripening of mangoes, therefore often referred as, these rainfall are referred as mango showers, because these rainfall help in ripening the mangoes. Therefore, it is known as mango shower. In West Bengal, it is known as Kal Baisakhi. In South India, it is known as mango shower.